Welcome to Cash 24. Today in this video I will discuss about Rocky Rabbit airdrop. High paying airdrop already listed coin in the some exchangers. How to earn money Rocky Rabbit and how to withdraw already airdrop running. Just tap and earn the token or coin. Already 40 million collected the coin. Go to the mine section and complete the card and unlock some level and increase the hourly boost section and full energy for time. Already collected the coin. Receive the card, various type of cards and enigma solved. Next prize 916 946. You need pass to play Rocky Rabbit Game Pass. Enter Game Pass. Get to play the game. You will need a Game Pass and find on in the relevant 220 channel Rocky Rabbit. Invite the friend and every users for you and your friend 50,000 coin and invite 10 friends and collect more coin. How to eligible the RBTC airdrop? Firstly, connect the wallet. Already connect my wallet and make a transaction. 2.0.5 don't need. Subscribe the channel and you eligible the airdrop. Daily task stake days. Enigma superset star X per day income. This is very passive income and already many tasks. Okay, thanks for everyone.